Bugsnax. 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 Babe, it's 4 p.m. Time for your bugsnax.
Yes, honey.
Petting straby, bunger, 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 bunger.
Sorry, that wasn't English.
I am a preschool teacher.
Very angry.
Your mac and cheese is a vagina. Oh, would you like to see my kids?
Sure. Oh,
Yeah, I peg.
Peg me, mommy.
Guys, tell Alex to set his status to I get pegged.
I'm not putting that.
At Alexander the Impatient, set your status to I get pegged.
New.
It's like the thing you strain your noodles with. Wait, that's a colander. He gave sheeps.
We would be a gross ice cream combo. Mint blueberry poop. Oh,
No.
I mean chocolate.
Poop.
Urban G.
definition of the Irish word for snatch or pussy. Example, I licked her G all night.
Half the modis are fateskinnelg.
Anyway,
Oh, the look on his face will be epic. Hey Blue, you could call your teacher kitten and that daddy's on Discord. The look on the teacher's face will be awesome.
you are a disgrace and no longer related to me.
When was I ever?
God damn it, I think we have to cremate the Tod. Alex, when he asks Tod for permission to send her bestiality porn, Miss William, please let me private message you, please, my arm.
Step for you.
You've just unpinned me and now I'm evil.
Good. No pink for you.
Roll and hey.
Way.
The fuck sex in Tachoze hey.
You are so boring you don't even have a status.
Give me a second, fuck you, Blue.
Bugsnax. Bugsnax.